Official first look of Galaxy Note 9. Let's be honest, Samsung isn't the greatest when it comes to preventing leakers from dumping dozens of leaks onto the internet for our analysis and enjoyment. And just to show you all how Samsung is protecting their latest device from being leaked, we present to you the Galaxy Note 9, and a security sticker giving some very clear instructions. The sticker reads, "Confidential, unauthorized use prohibited, no photo allowed, not for sale, do not leak info." Surprisingly, we have not actually seen much of the black model of the Note 9, as much of the attention has been placed on the leaked images of the blue model, which may come with a Gold S Pen. But we can see the expected horizontal camera setup with a fingerprint sensor sitting below it. We can now also see that Samsung has slightly updated their boot screen, by expanding Samsung to fill more of the display than on previous Galaxy phones, for example, the Galaxy S9. From the front, the Note 9 is practically indistinguishable from its predecessor. Inside it should pack the Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810, paired with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM. The display will be a 6.4-inch curved Super AMOLED, while the dual rear camera setup should be very similar, if not identical, to the one seen in the S9 Plus. The Note 9 is expected to have a 3850 or even 4000 mAh battery. With the Note 9 leaks pouring forth now, we do not have long to wait before the August 9th formal unveiling. But will the launch be worth watching? Is there anything that Samsung has managed to keep under wraps? Hopefully. There is still the S Pen to wonder about. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates in future. And also like and share this video.